Hi, this is Rich again. I'm at the R.L. Miller Express Hose Store. I'm going to show you a little video of a hose that came in that has a failure that you may have seen before. This may have happened to you. Wire braids are twisted. That can occur when you're not using a backup wrench to tighten the hose. This particular hose does have a heavy flange end on it with a 90-degree fitting, and that also can lead to having the hose twisted when it's installed and leading to a failure like this. Find out what important factors you should consider when selecting a hydraulic hose. Look for the information link in the description below. Inside the Aeroquip book here, there is a section on how to analyze hose failures. I'm going to flip right here to the page that has the information on it. I've bookmarked this page with a little foam pellet. We do use these for when we make hoses in the shop. We do clean the hose. You can see that this was white at one time and does have some black residue on it from being shot through the hose. So if you've had this type of failure happen on your critical equipment, you can call R.L. Miller. We're in Green Tree here in Pittsburgh. We do have Saturday hours, and we do have an emergency call-out number. Our number is 412-722-1600. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips.